Welcome to LearnHowToQuilt.com. Today we're introducing a new series entitled Same Quilt, Different Technique. In this series, you'll learn how your fabric choices, your quilting tools, and your skill set can help determine which quilting technique is best to use. I'll be using this easy corner square quilt pattern that's great for beginners. In the first video, scheduled for June 25th, 2025, you'll learn why sometimes you need to sew one block at a time. The second video explains why assembly line sewing using pre-cuts can speed up your cutting and sewing time. This video will be released on June 26th. The next day, on the 27th, the third video will drop. Instead of sewing 40 small squares with strips on two sides, the method shown in this video starts with 10 10-inch squares surrounded by strips on all sides. Each of these large blocks are cut into 4 squares. If you'd like to add borders to any of these quilts, you might want to view the last 2 tutorials in this series. On July 2nd, this video about simple borders will be posted, and then the next day you can view this video about mitered borders. Hope you stay tuned. In the meantime, you might want to visit our website, LearnHowToQuilt.com. I've left the links below. Don't forget to share our site with your friends. Thanks.